Yeah.
It's Curry Road, folks. Let me get the builder and the painter right here, and the tuner right here. Uncover your face. Let them see your work. God, look at that head. That's the builder and the painter, the tuner, X275, and where you got Brooklyn. Yeah. Here's their project. Not too bad for a 13 and 11-year-old. Yeah, not too bad for them.